right, guys, so we got a gift from 11 Spark. So let's get inside of the box and see what they actually have given me. So this is probably a thank card, or like with this. You see that? And oh wow, you see that inside, bro? It looks great. Hold on, let me drop that and grab this one. You see that? Let me just open it right now. Yo, how do I open it, bro? Oh, there. Oh, they give me a pen, by the way, right here. Thank you, man. Well, this is gonna help me. Okay. Oh, it's a monthly planner. You see there? Okay, let me drop the pen. Oh, wow. You see that? This is gonna really help me to do all of my plan for the next month, maybe next year. This is actually a good thing. Oh, wow. You see, they have a different section of it. Like this one and this one. Whoa, well, this is gonna really help. Honestly, I swear to God, this is gonna help me to learn more, to, you know, write down my plan on paper, not only my head though. Pretty good. Appreciate it, guys. Like, I really appreciate the parts, you know, it's called Spark, right? The 11 Spark. Thank you guys for sending me this gift. I really appreciate it.